Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to fix this neon pink glitch issue. You see, when you import model, sometimes the texture is gone, so it's not a big issue. The reason behind this issue is sometimes you change the location of your texture in your desktop, and sometimes you rename your texture, so that's why you face issue like this. So don't worry, just follow my step and you will face your problem very easily and find solution. Just go to the file, external data, and find the missing files. Now just found your regional texture from your desktop, and when you find the texture, you just click this. Now the texture is automatically applied. So now you can see the texture is perfectly applied on model and it's look good. So if you face any issue and problem, let me know in comments. I will make a video for all of you, and hit like and subscribe. Thank you.